Yo, what's up guys? LT Tech here. Today we are reviewing the Corsair Vengeance RG Pro RAM kit. Now this version is the 16 gigabytes of RAM at 3200 speed, and for the overall price of $85, I'm going to be discussing why this is such a great deal on RAM to get for any, just build overall. Now this can make the build look great with all the different RGB colors in here, and I'm going to be discussing as well how to set up all this and what to do about it. So continue watching, we'll check it out. So in the 16 gigabyte kit, now this is a 2x8 kit, and what you get in this is you just get your standard 2 sticks of RAM, and that's basically it. So here are some close-ups of the RAM itself. Now this RAM is very nice looking, especially I love the nice little stripe going across right here. Nothing that I don't like about it. And they also make enhancement kits which run about $40, and they can fill in your other slots. If you do have a 4 DIN slot motherboard or something like that, you could definitely get that. But here's the RAM. Now on the back, here is everything for the specifications. So 3200 megahertz CDR4, and this is a great kit. I mean, for $85, you can definitely see it's a great price for the performance. So I'm going to show you guys how you can activate all the RGB on this and how it handles with other CPUs and stuff like that.
So in this software, you have a bunch of other things. You can do dim setup. You can see how it's laid out. And right now I'm on my Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro RAM kit. If you go home, you can see that is my device right here. So with it being right there, you can do kind of things. You can do timings, you can do graphing, you can do notifications. There's plenty of things. You can even see the temps of everything. So this is a great software, especially for this specific RAM kit. Now, lighting effects, you can do anything. You can just change it to any color. So every standard is basically the standard RGB kind of thing. And you have presets and all that. So definitely, if you just want to have one single color, it will be static color. Then if you just want to have multicolor, it would be that. Or you can have like a rainbow or something like that. So that's basically the software. Now, it's great software. Definitely something I'd be, for people who are more kind of into the techie side of the RAM and stuff, and they want to do like timings and stuff, or see what's going on with that. But you can definitely see what it looked like. But let's get into like how it performs and what we think of it.
Alright, so performance-wise on this RAM, it does great. I would definitely recommend pairing it with like a 3700X, which is what I have in this system, and I've had no issues with it at all. I had a clock to 3600 megahertz. That is the kit that I have in this PC. I have two kits. The one I just got done showing you was the 3200 megahertz with 16 gigabytes, but this one is the 32 gigabyte kit. Now you can definitely pair these nicely together to get two 16 gigabyte kits. But the 32 gigabyte kit, right now they have a killer deal of about $135 for 3200 megahertz. Now that's a great deal. I definitely recommend getting that if you were to want to have like nice set of RAM. But yeah, I've never had any issues at all gaming or anything of the sort of that with the RAM like malfunctioning or the processor just not liking it. I've heard things about the i9s or like higher end Intel CPUs not pairing nicely with it, or because this is a C18 RAM is what is in this PC, and the Ryzen works great with it, but the Intel, say like i9-9900K, it doesn't really like anything above a C17. So I try to stay a little bit below that, or that if you are looking to pair it with an i9 or 9900K. But I mean, it definitely could still use it. I mean, it's CDR4 and everything like that. I mean, the kit looks great. So if you just look at it, I mean, there's nothing that I don't like about this piece of RAM. I mean, it looks great. And for the price point of $85, there's nothing you can complain about. I mean, you can get this basically in any PC parts store. I know these are very popular. It's made out of a solid, nice aluminum material. Definitely great heatsink. It's like it's all cold already, which is awesome. So that you can feel Corsair's production quality it flourishes in this, because they're a great company. I mean, they definitely like all their products. So I would highly recommend this RAM if you're looking to start like a new PC or something. At $85, great price point. I'm going to try and leave links in the description for this RAM. Now, prices are subject to change most of the time because of all this stuff going on right now, but I definitely would say that you're going to stick around a price point of around $85. That's what I got it for at Best Buy. I mean, sometimes it goes up to like $90, depending on what kind of RAM you get. The 32 gigabyte kit that I purchased, I did buy it used for about 150. I know that goes about 200 for a 4x8. That is the kit that I got, and the box was the 4x8. So yeah, I'll leave links in the description for that, and I really hope you guys did enjoy this video and kind of the review on it. This RAM has been out for a while, but I'd like to show you guys that it is still holding up in 2020. I mean, this RAM is a great kit, and DDR5 is kind of becoming up soon, and so I definitely am excited to see that. But we're definitely gonna just wait it out, see how this RAM still holds up. Kind of going on for a little bit, and if we need to make another video and showing that it's not a good RAM kit to get, we can definitely do that. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video again. Be sure to like and subscribe, or dislike, I don't care, whatever one you want to do. How you feel about the video is always great to hear. Always like to see comments if you guys have any ideas on how I could make videos better. Again, just starting out here, so trying to make good videos for you guys. If you guys have any good ideas on editing software too, I try to use iMovie or Premiere Pro. Just not good at using Premiere Pro yet, so yeah, we're gonna see how that floats out. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys in the next video. Kind of just trying to, if you guys have any other video ideas, be sure to leave those in the description, or comments as well. Sorry about that. But I'll see you guys later. Peace.